Life with Jeezy, man. Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
Keep getting better and better. You know why I'm here. You know what I came for. You win and you lose. You know how the game go. You can't fit in my shoes. No, you cannot hang, look. Cause they don't have a clue. Them up where I came from. Yeah, started selling nickels, then I bought the whole thing.
This is the life of a girl dad. Welcome to Life with Jeezy. Let's go. What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe Jeezy. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And we up here at Jeep about to get the oil change, get the car clean. Cause today we about to take care of this vehicle. We about to get the Jeep all the way to the leather. Cause it looks bad. It looks bad. But we up here, we about to get this oil changed. I'm gonna wait for Mr. Man. I don't know if he want me to get out or what, but I am. We're gonna leave her in here. So we'll see y'all in a minute.
A few moments later.
Get out. You got your juice? You got your Pop-Tart? Tablet, or you gonna just use my phone? Tablet. Okay. Yeah, there's another one back there behind you. That's nice. I like that gray one over there too. That gray wagon is pretty dope. I don't know. Some of them look better than the other ones. Get in the conversation down below. Let me know what you think about the green wagon here. What are you doing? Just chill, relaxing and relaxing. Chilling now, shoot some b-ball outside of the school.
I brought this on myself.
We'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we up out of there. Got that oil change. Ooh, that thing riding better. That thing riding smooth. But at the oil change, now we about to go over here. Hopefully we about to get to clean this bad boy. I gotta clean it out, man. It's all nasty. Junkie got a junky ass car. Can't be riding around looking like no poop putt.
No, son.
So we gotta clean this bad boy out. Baby man don't feel asleep, so we gotta be quiet while we clean it. So, I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, so I done already took the big stuff out of here, but this how this bad boy is looking, and she's looking so gross. Right now, baby man, you knocked out. That's how she looking. That's how she looking now. We gonna see y'all in a minute.
1 hour later.
Alright, y'all, here we go. Got it nice and decently clean on the inside. And then, baby man, you still sleep. Now we gotta do something. Oh, y'all. Remember these? They finally sent me some more. And they sent all of them. So one of them definitely going in the trunk. We gonna do that. We gonna do that in this video. It's gonna be a little bit later in this video. But this bad boy needs to be clean. It's super dirty. It's super dirty. Look at that. That looks, ugh. We gotta clean this. We'll be back after we get it clean. All right, y'all, so we up in here about to get this bad boy. Yeah, you see the process of getting started. Get this mother sucker clean. Yeah, you see it. This bad boy is dirty. Ain't it dirty? Y'all heard her. She know. The lights. We up in the lights. Say yeah. You gotta get this thing clean. I just don't like that part. If I was closer to the other car wash, I'd have went to the other car wash I can go into. They ain't got the brushes and the smacking your car and stuff. So I'ma see y'all when we get out of here so y'all can see what it look like. I ain't wiping this bad boy out because it's cold. And I ain't, it's over. We gonna let it air dry today, baby. We gonna let this air dry today, buddy. So,
a few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so they got Coco clean. Oh, wait, so if y'all ain't seen it or known, I did call her. Her name is Coco, aka Such Chocolate. You gotta say it like Such Chocolate. Yeah, and she look good, look pretty clean. Hey, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. make sure you subscribe to that channel. That bad boy look clean. If I wipe it off, it'll look cleaner. But it's kind of cold out here, so we gotta go, baby. We got things to do, cause we got a whole nother video to shoot. So we gotta keep it moving. Yes, sir. So we still here. Well, we ain't still here, but we back, and we in a different car. Yeah, we getting her tire changed. Baby William is still back there asleep. And then after this, we are going to go back to get my car. Yo, so shout out to the peoples at Mobile Tire Shop. That is Trusty's Used Tires. The Birch family. Yeah, we went to high school with. I went to high school with his kids. So shout out to them getting us right. Got the strip lug off and got the tire off. So she was finally able to get this tire changed. Y'all, I'm sorry, it's a busy day. I'm trying to get everything done. I'm gonna ride down the street and I'm gonna get her car clean. I'm gonna be nice, get her car clean. I'm gonna ride down the street, go get her car cleaned all year. So we're gonna see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so we done made it back to the house. And then, so now it is time to see if we can get this changed out to one of these. Let's see if we can get this off of here. Oh, all right. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. Let me put y'all down real quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I have to find my license plate cover because I got one with my thing on it. Put one right here too. Yes, sir. Please excuse me, that's inside of my trunk. That's some of my work. It's perfect. The one everywhere, babe. Look at it. Watch out. Step back so we close the door. Come around the front. Come on this side. Yes, I wonder if y'all seen what she was over there doing. She was over there, look, being a 3-year-old beautiful baby, huh? But yes, sir, we got them finally in there. I had to put one of the front stickers on the back side because, you know, put one over there on the other side, and then I put the other one right here. I should have just put the long one right there instead of the shorter one. But that's gangsta. I ain't think it was gonna be out. That's gangsta though. Yes, sir. So we gonna see y'all in the next one. We gonna wrap this one up. You gonna say peace? Oh, hit him with the dance. 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 Hey, 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 hey. We gonna see y'all in the next one. Hey! Hey.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell the judge I ain't saying